So wonderful morning everyone. Before we start discussing this question, I just want to share one important thing. You may not be at the place now where you wish to be. For example, you're just planning to start your preparation, or you'd have your revision is slightly stuck and all those things. Just forget about it. Just focus on what you need to do now and the upcoming days. That will be very handy, and that will guarantee you success. So keep these things in mind, and let's quickly check out one important question. That is, PTD Limited is engaged in the business of executing construction contracts for its clients. There are non-current receivables outstanding in the financial statement of the company as on 31st March 2023 for rupees 500 crores. Such amounts represent claims by the company on its clients relating to the cost overruns necessitated due to delays caused by the clients, change in work specifications and related matters. So besides the negotiations, the company has also gone for arbitration. The management of the accounts consider the above amounts to be fully recoverable as stated in the notes of accounts. CA Piyush, Auditors company, has relied only on the management representation. Besides, he has decided to include the said matter in the emphasis of matter paragraph. How do you view the decisions to include the above in the emphasis of matter paragraph? So this is the question. So what exactly you need to reproduce, and this is as per SA 706, emphasis of matter paragraph is a para included in auditor's report that refers to a matter appropriately presented or disclosed in the FS. So and the objective of the auditor, having formed an opinion, is to draw users' attention to ensure a matter, although this is a very important matter, a matter although appropriately presented or disclosed, that it is already there in the FS, it is still important and it is fundamental to the user's understanding, then it needs to be disclosed, and any other matter that is relevant to user's understanding. So these are the two key terms, two key points you should reproduce. So, and the auditor shall include an emphasis of EOM in the auditor's report, provided the auditor would not be required to modify. This is very important. So EOM can be included only when the modification is not required as per SA 705. So in this scenario, first now we have explained the standards, and now coming you must connect with the question so that you will be able to conclude the answer. So in this situation, auditors relied only on the management representation. So the MR, that is management representation, as per SA 580, they themselves do not constitute sufficient appropriate evidence. They do not constitute sufficient evidence. Management representations by themselves do not constitute sufficient appropriate audit evidence. So performing necessary audit evidence will lead to conclusion that modification is necessary. So in that circumstances, matter cannot be included in EOM paragraph. Beautiful, this point, this aspect is very important. So then the conclusion is, auditor should form his opinion by performing necessary audit process. It is only when he concludes that modifications are not required, then EOM can be included in EOM. So they both don't coexist. Say 705 and say 706. So this is how you should conclude. Very important question. Watch it twice so that you don't miss out on a single mark. You need not have to keep coming back to this in January. Finish the questions now itself parallelly with my video. All the rest, keep going. Best wishes. Stay focused.